Hey everyone, Danny Jose here, DIY guy with another do-it-yourself video, and this time is to fix your broken oven knob. Yes, these Samsung oven knobs break all the time because they're cheap plastic and they crack if you turn them too aggressively or you're cleaning it and it just cracks it, right? So I'm going to show you how to fix this really easily.
So you can do two things. You could super glue this if you have super glue, or you could duct tape this. I'm at my daughter's place, so they only had duct tape around, so I just kind of reinforced the crack piece here with duct tape. You can also order this from Amazon, the spare piece, but they're $20 a piece, and they don't look exactly the same. They have the wider red line, so they won't match unless you replace all of them, right? But anyways, the trick is this little sleeve here. A lot of the times you'll put it back in and it'll slide too much into the base. And so the trick is to take this sleeve out, and then you take this sleeve and you see this flat piece. You kind of line it up with the flat piece of the knob, and then you just insert it back into the knob. So that's the main method here that you have to do. And so you just kind of slip it in nice and snug there, and then you pop it back into um, its place. So you kind of wiggle it, and just need to be careful not to push it too hard, and it should do the trick. See, now it's nice and snug. It's ready to go. Let's try this out. Make sure it works. Yep, it works. And there you go.